Hey, what's up, WazirX holder? WazirX holder, it's a very bad news for all of you, my brothers. To the coin is completely fails down, and absolutely after a fails, they will take a jump. So therefore, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time there is more chances they will moving upward now. But the current condition is going to be very critical now, and that's a very bad news for all of you. To this coin is completely fails down. Not just unique WazirX, all crypto market is very badly fails down. But my friends, I will notify you to I will prediction. I will do prediction in this video. I will do technical analysis and also share my opinion. The change occur, you can see, my friend, last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour is going to be very negative now, and it's mean to the price is completely fails down 1.37. Oh my goodness, it's a very bad news. To the price is very badly fails down, but this is the reality, my brothers. To what we do, my friends. So this time you can see, my friend, the last 7 days chart is on the screen. In this chart it's completely sure, my brothers, to this coin is completely fails down from last 7 days. What's the main reason to this coin is fails down? There are two reasons, my friends. The main reason is that to all crypto market is very badly fails down, so therefore WazirX also one of them. And the second reason is that, my brothers, to especially short term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the coin is very badly fails down. So holders, don't do this mistake, please be safe from the loss. If you do these mistakes, you are completely in the loss. Don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increased now. So let's see to what they do, but kindly holders subscribe and also like this video.